Story time. What can happen when you have not done one thing about estate planning? What's up, everybody? My name is Josh Key. I'm the managing attorney at Key Law. We take the headache out of estate planning and probate so you can focus on what's important. And it's story time again. So these are some of the negative things that I see in my practice that occur in regards to people that do not do their estate planning. So these are just some considerations and things that that you need to take into account, not only for yourself, but maybe your parents or for your children. So I got a phone call yesterday in a consultation that had a potential client, and unfortunately her mother had dementia and had not done 1 ounce of estate planning and had some assets and was trying to qualify for Medicaid, which kind of falls under an elder law premise. And man, these people were sharp. They had done just about all the research that they could, but they are in kind of a weird area because they have no idea when their parent may end up having to enter a nursing facility or some sort of care facility to take care of their mother as her health unfortunately deteriorates. And so with nothing being done, they had to learn about Medicaid planning and the fact that there's a look back period, and that even trying to do estate plans or businesses or anything can cause ineligibility. So unfortunately, these people are kind of in a weird spot where they need to make a decision of whether to try to put everything in an irrevocable trust and manage it, or LLCs and different tactics, or using spin down theories. And so what's really unfortunate here is, one, these children who are now adults, but their mother unfortunately has put them in a position now where they're scrambling and trying to preserve as much of the family's wealth as they possibly can, which has put a lot of stress as they have they're working, they have families, things, and they're having to put a lot of time, effort, and energy into this when it probably should have been taken care of ahead of time. And two, unfortunately, it's probable that people in this situation are going to end up having to lose at some point some of the assets and wealth that are there. There is the Medicaid recovery statute, which says they will try to recover to compensate for funds that are paid out from Medicaid if assets are available. So these people are scrambling around and trying to get everything done, but they're also trying to make sure that their mother is cared for. So it really put a strain on them, and they're scrambling to try to figure this out. And they're in a position where they have to either try to just go ahead and transfer things and hope that she can hold off for 5 years, or to try to put it in a trust. And so they're having to make some very, very difficult decisions. And this is something that I see pretty regular in the practice, is that people don't want to plan ahead or plan for their eventual downfall, and the kids are usually the ones that are left to pick up the pieces. It's pretty unfortunate. I would encourage you to think ahead and try to do that, and try to preserve what your life's work has brought. So again, my name is Josh Key. I'm the managing attorney at Key Law. We take the headache out of estate planning and probate so you can focus on what's important. If you have questions about this or anything related to estate planning and probate, you can speak to an attorney for free by going to keylawllc.com. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.